court is calling 2024 CR 2752, State of Texas versus Roberto Rosales. Thank you. You know how it is. Did you understand you're charged with the offense of evading arrest, detention, vehicle?
Whoa, pause right there. Did you catch that? The judge is basically saying either 3 years in prison or a strict supervision program. That's a huge fork in the road. Which would you choose? Freedom with tight rules or straight time behind bars?
That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison. Thank you. And up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, yes?
I apologize. I thought I was getting charged with the drug, and then that one was getting dumped.
Quick legal insight. Evading arrest with a vehicle isn't just a traffic stop gone wrong. It's a third-degree felony in Texas. That means up to 10 years locked up. And here's the kicker. Even if it starts over unpaid tickets, once you run, the charges escalate big time.
Getting removed.
Sorry, and that. Just be clear because she has some.
I apologize. I thought there was 2 charges and one of them was being removed. Or I don't know if I'm supposed to say that.
No, what we're focusing on now is the fact that do you realize that you're pleading to an evading arrest detention with the vehicle?
Yes.
I mean, you're very slow with your answer on that. So do you know what you're here for today?
Yes, ma'am. An evading arrest, and there was a drug charge as well.
All right. So I want you to listen to my questions.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you understand that you're about to enter into a plea on an evading arrest with a detention vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So listen. No. Just listen to my questions. All right. By indictment in this cause number that you're about to enter a plea into, it's an evading arrest detention with a vehicle. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor. Yeah.
All right. Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Are you employed?
Did you hear that? He says he has a job interview for selling insurance. Now, imagine walking into your interview straight from court, facing felony charges. Do you think they'd hire him? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because that's a tough sell, literally.
I actually have a job interview right now.
What? Doing what?
Selling insurance.
Oh. Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am. I have 3 sons.
What are their ages?
15, 10, and 4 years old.
Do they live with you?
No, ma'am. Two of them live in Eagle Pass.
All right. When's the last time you've seen them?
It's been a good while. I'd say about 1.5 years.
All right. Why are you evading in a vehicle?
This is where things spiral. He admits panicking, but here's the lesson. Panic in the moment can turn a small problem, like traffic warrants, into a life-altering felony. That one bad decision snowballs into years of consequences.
That's very dangerous.
Yes, ma'am. I understand I have a lot of traffic warrants, and I did know that I had something on me that I shouldn't have. And
Well, here's the thing.
Panicked, and it was a terrible mistake.
You know what ends up happening?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have a felony instead of maybe somebody having you to pay traffic tickets.
Right. I understand.
All right. Can you tell me what the court cost is on a third-degree felony, please, evading? All right. If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
I will come out with some positive for marijuana.
All right. What else?
That's it, actually.
No. I mean, are you backtracking, trying to figure out what you've used in the past?
Yeah, I was thinking if I would test 30 for cocaine, but
You just speak up.
okay. I was thinking if I would test 30 for cocaine, but I will not.
When's the last time you
It's
used?
been about 10 days.
All right. How often are you using cocaine?
I'd say maybe 2 times a month. Before it was pretty bad, but I've got it pretty under control now.
All right. And who is Abigail?
That's my daughter that passed away.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
It's okay.
All right. So I'm going to sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication. There's a $500 fine that will be probated. Ms. Abrams, do you have any violent history in your past?
And here's a dramatic twist. The judge sends him to drug court instead of straight prison. That's actually a second chance, a legal lifeline. But as you'll see later, second chances don't always stick if you can't stay clean.
No, ma'am. Not in my past. I am currently... Oh, yeah. No, I don't. Just got 2 cases dismissed for something that was violent, but it was dismissed. I don't know how else to say it. I don't want to
Okay.
kind of tangle myself up with my words. They just got dismissed like 4 days ago.
All right. In another county?
No, man, it was here.
All right. I'm going to do a referral to felony drug court. All right. From here on, we can go off the record from here on out. Everything you do, you need to ask yourself, could this potentially result in me going to prison for up to 10 years? Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you. All right. Are you the same Roberto Javier Rosales who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 2752 for the offense of evading arrest detention with a vehicle on March 5th, 2024?
Yes, Your Honor, I am.
All right. State.
Violated condition number 1 on or about the 19th day of March 2024 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant Roberto Javier Rosales committed the offense of criminal trespass in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
It's true, Your Honor.
Your Honor, state will waive the other violation.
Any objection?
None, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor, I understand.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, ma'am, it's true.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is that proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge. It's to alter and amend to include IOP. Additionally, the defendant is going to go take a plea in the misdemeanor court on the criminal trespass case.
I thought it
Or criminal
was the
mischief.
mischief case that you waived because there's restitution and you'll pay that restitution as part of that misdemeanor probation.
All right. Probation?
Judge, what's listed on the court summary for probation is revocation. The justification is that he reoffended 2 weeks after being granted probation, showing continual engagement in criminal activity while on probation. I would have to say that he did not report to the initial office visit. He was granted probation 3/5/24 and picked up the new cases on 3/19/24.
Oh, is there something you wish to say?
I
Want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Roberto Javier Rosales Jr.
All right, so why are you charged with criminal trespass?
I was looking to get some help from somebody I didn't know. I was being chased by some bad people.
No, get some help from someone where?
I was 2 blocks away from my house, and there were some people, it was over a game of pool, that were chasing me. And I wanted them to call the police.
So then where does and you didn't plead true to it, but my understanding so where does the criminal mischief come in?
As I
You're
was
looking at me, but
Oh, yes.
as I was knocking on the door, I opened the door. I was knocking on the door and I opened the door and I asked them to call the cops.
No, if you open a door, that doesn't result in criminal mischief unless you damage it.
Oh, I damaged the door when I opened it.
there was
Yes,
a
ma'am.
window on the door that wound up, that was damaged, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
The reason this was set for contested today was because he was able to articulate to me very viable defenses. He's chosen to forego that and enter pleas of true. He had the defense, in my opinion, perhaps of necessity. If he was in fear for his life and being chased by someone, he's seeking shelter, help, and someone to call the authorities. And of course, criminal mischief has to be committed intentionally or knowingly. It can't be done accidentally.
So here's my question.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you ever report to probation?
Yes, ma'am, I did. I went to that's why I didn't mean to interrupt, but I went to orientation, and then the following, on April 1st, is when I was supposed to have my first meeting with my probation officer.
All right, so
Jailed.
Wow. After all that, he chooses 3 years in prison over supervision. That's rare. Most people fight tooth and nail for probation. Was this the smarter choice for him, or just giving up? What do you think?
But I was in jail.
all right, so here's the thing. I'm not doing this intensive supervision thing.
I understand.
So you have a choice. I can send you to prison for 3 years, or either you're still going into custody and you're doing the ISF.
May I have a recess to discuss what ISF means? Because I'm sure he doesn't.
Sure. All right.
Thanks.
So we'll come back at 1:30.
Yes, sir.